guys ready? So this is what you see when you first walk into my bathroom. It's a rectangle, so it's going to be kind of difficult to film. Let's start over here with my shower. It's quite small compared to the shower I had at my previous apartment. It was humongous. I have 2 glass sliding doors that are very convenient. I've never had these before, but I like it a lot because it opens up the space of this bathroom. It would have felt super small if I would have had to have a curtain. Let's go in here and talk about what I have for my wash routine. First, I have my loofah. I love exfoliating my skin every day. I use loofahs. I don't use my hands or washcloths. And then up here I have my different soaps. This one is my fave. This is by Shea Moisture, and actually this is their coconut hibiscus bar soap. It's so moisturizing. I have this sensual aromatherapy black currant and vanilla body wash, and this is from Bath and Body Works. I purchased this when they were having the semi-annual sale, and I think I only got it for like $5. And this one is by Love Planet Beauty. I haven't tried this one out yet, but it was sent to me in PR. I love the shampoo and I love the conditioner, so I'm hoping that I'll like the body wash as well. And then I have my razor. My shower head is pretty basic. I did want to change it, but with the way the pipe is that runs the water, I really can't change this into the one I want. I want one that comes off and you can like spray it on your body. All right, let's get out of here and move on to this area. Gosh, it's so difficult to record in here. I have this towel rack. I actually think these are so old school, and I prefer not to have these in my bathroom. I don't really like it. I don't like it at all. And then down here I have this rack and hamper that I purchased from Target, and I actually had this piece in my previous apartment. But on here, of course, I have my hand towels rolled up on top, and then right here I have a few face towels. If I have guests, you know, they can grab a face towel. And then I always keep 3 body towels on deck. And I do like this a lot. It's very convenient, this little hamper down there. When I'm getting in the shower, I'll throw my intimates in there, and then I'll throw my real clothes in my closet in my actual hamper. And then right below there I have my crochet shower mat that's so cute. So I purchased this from Home Goods, and it was only like $17, and it came with this larger mat and a smaller mat that's supposed to fit right in front of your sink, but I didn't have enough space to put the smaller one down, so I actually put it in the hallway. But this mat, it's so soft and it looks so luxe, and I love the crochet detailing along the side. I did like spill some things on it, so I need to wash it, and I just got some watermarks on it, so that's why it looks crazy. But it's really soft, it's super unique, and it's perfect with my bathroom, especially with these great towels I got going on. Now, something interesting about this bathroom is it has a mirror that goes across this entire wall, which I was like, why not just put like a shelf over the toilet so I can have extra storage space, because I don't really have a lot. But on top of my toilet, I picked up these bits from TJ Maxx. First, I have this essential oil spray, and it's lavender. It smells so good, and it does a great job. It works kind of like poopery, actually. It completely eliminates the smell, and I'm such a candle gal. I have this vanilla bean candle, and then I have this faux salt crystal, and I picked this up from Home Goods, and I believe this was about, I think that was $17. Now moving on to the left side of the toilet, I have my toilet bowl cleaner, and if you haven't noticed, I did stick with like the chrome finishings to match all the finishings that were put into the restroom so I can have a nice clean and neat look. And this was like $12, and I really do love this little jewel. It's so girly and it's nice and heavy duty, and it looks and feels so expensive. So over here on the right side of the toilet, so we did the left and now we're doing the right. First I have my tissue holder, nice chrome finishing. Down here I have this chrome trash can, and I'm not sure where I picked this up from. I'm assuming TJ Maxx, but it had to be under $20. I love how large it is. Very large and in charge. I knew I wanted to have a larger mini trash can than the one that I had in my previous apartment because it would just get full so fast. And I like this. This isn't basic. It has that, you know, finishing down there and up there, so it jazzes it up a bit. And then over here I have my electric scale and my Huggies and some feminine wipes down there as well. Guys, I'm literally dying. I'm on the floor just so I can show you guys everything that's in my restroom. That's how small it is. I actually only have storage down here, those two drawers, and in that thing up there that I'll talk about in a sec. But I have these two small drawers. I have nothing in there. And then over here I have, what's that, toothpaste? And then down here, extra skincare things, deodorant things that I no longer use in my fall routine. And then over here I have my cleaning supplies. Boring stuff, but just in case you guys wanted to see, there you go. When you close my door, you have this chrome wall hanger, and I have my robe on there and the dry towel that I'm currently using. And then over here I have a scroll with a message about karma from the Dalai Lama, and this was actually a Christmas present from my mom. And this is actually very convenient because, you know, when you're on the toilet and you need to get a quick read, I'd rather like sit here, go through these messages versus, you know, chilling on my phone. So this is pretty good just to have a reminder to check yourself a couple times a day. Like, are you giving love? Are you receiving the right type of love? Are you wanting the right type of things? Are you respecting yourself? Are you respecting others? Are you really living a fulfilling life? I don't have any windows in here, but I do have a skylight, and it keeps my bathroom pretty lit. Now, this is my favorite part of my bathroom, starting over here. So I have some hand soap and some hand lotion from Bath & Body Works, this candle, and I believe this was from TJ Maxx, and it was only like $5. I have it lit right now, and this one paired with that one over there, the vanilla one. So good. So good. And then this is my spot over here, starting right here. I have, you know what, I think this is a candle holder. I got this from TJ Maxx, not sure how much it cost, but I actually just put in my cotton rounds in there for when I'm toning my face. Over here in the corner, I have this plant holder from IKEA, and it's like $1.99, but I put all of my face masks in there. And then I have this glass and chrome plate that this was only $12, and I picked this up from Home Goods, and I use this as a shelf, as you can see, for my skincare. If you would like to see like a complete haul of my skincare routine and like organization, again, you can click right there, up there, and check out that video, or you can check out the DB. But yeah, I'm trying NOLA Skincare Essentials, and it's basically 100% vegan products. I have a few of them up there, and so far so good. and I highly, highly recommend. By the way, I purchased with my own moolah. All right, so last but not least, let's dive into my medicine cabinet. Pretty basic, but up top I have all things for my teeth. Now moving down, I have vitamins, my B12, I take that every day. I have vitamin C, of course, for my immune system. Moving down, I have probiotics to help keep my gut nice and clean. Hair, skin, and nails, biotin, of course. And then of course I have a everyday gummy.